Did you know that you could create amazing professional looking videos with Canva? What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create videos using Canva. Welcome to my channel Ask Hacker Cheche. Here I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs and the metaverse. Please like this video and also subscribe for more videos like this one. Now, when it comes to making videos with Canva, there are 4 important things you should note. 1. Your music. 2. Your animation. 3. Your timing. 4. The fourth tip is this. Always select the 1920 by 1080 pixel, alright, for HD resolution. Let's get started. Now, we want to head over to videos. And when it loads, you see we can make different kinds of videos. So this is a 1920 by 1080 pixel. This is what you want to choose. Or you could also make a Facebook video. You see this is a 1080 by a 1080 pixel. You could create a video message. You could create a mobile video. You could create a YouTube video. Let's see what other options are here. All right, you could make a video collage or a video ad, right, or a feed ad, slideshow and some other stuff. All right, so we want to, let's just work with this. Okay, let's work with this YouTube video. So we click on it. All right, so the page is loaded, but before this I want to show you I already created a very simple story for this video, right? And here it is. All right, so it says 2020 my business failed. I was broke and in debt, where a friend introduced me to a new business model called affiliate marketing. Now I earn in dollars from the comfort of my home. Get started with affiliate marketing today. So this is a simple story I want to create a video for, and I'll do that right now. So we head over to Canva and we want to create 5 screens. Okay, so this is 1 and 2 3 4 and 5. So now I'm going to just design each of these. Now for this one, All right, so I've created 5 screens. So you can see these are just an image and text. This two is text and an image. Same thing here. So image, text. This is just GIF kind of stuff. An image, text too, and then this. All right. So these are images. Now we want to add some animations to this stuff, right? To make it come alive. And to do that, we click this first, and I'm going to do that right now. So head over to animate, and I'm going to choose one of this. Let me see. Okay, think I'll go with this. All right. And then for the second one, same thing. I'm just gonna go with something. Let me see. Nope, don't like that. I think this should do for me. And then for this here, all right. And then now we want to check how long each of these will take. So if you click on this, you see that this will take about 5 seconds for the first screen. This two is about 5 seconds. Now if you wanted to, we could edit the timing. All right, we could increase this to say 6 or 8. I'll leave that at 6. All right, so for this second one, the third one, sorry, we want to leave this at 5. Yeah, 5 seconds too. This is about 5.7 seconds. Okay, that's good enough. Then for this, I want to increase this to about 8 seconds. Okay, so we increase this to 8 seconds. All right, and then the next thing is we want to add audio, or do you want to add music to this particular video. All right, and then we do that, we head over to let's see, so search for audio. All right, so now I searched for the term happy, and if you see, look at the results, you see all there's photos, graphics, videos, audio. So I want to click on audio. Now we see lots and lots of stuff. So some of these are only if you have the paid version. All right, so I'm just gonna scroll up here, and I think I'll go for this. So we simply drag this and we drop it here. All right, so as you can see, I've added the music. All right, so I did that. If you select each of these, so you hold down Control or Shift, select any of all of this, you can add a particular audio. All right, so don't forget to do that. So, okay, I set mine to start from like this place. Okay, but for yours, if you want it to start from the beginning, you just simply drag this to the extreme here, right, before adding the video. So just get the audio you want, then you drag it and you drop it, okay, and it will enter here. All right, so that is how you create a video. Now when we are done with this, let's watch this So you click on this play button here to preview. All right, so I believe you're now able to understand how you could create a video using Canva. All right, so let me know in the comments how easy this was for you to figure out, all right, using this. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.